Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Nilo. So in today's video we'll be talking about another important topic in object-oriented programming, which is about polymorphism. So polymorphism is a very used concept in object-oriented programming that you must know how to implement this in Python. But in simple terms, what does polymorphism mean? Poly means many and phism means the condition or shapes. It means many shapes. If you just give a real life example, suppose I'm a student. At the same time, I can be a good friend to someone. I can be a good teacher to someone. Or I can be a good sister to someone. So this is how I can have different shapes. I can have different characters. So with my friends, I'll be very friendly. With my sisters, I'll be over friendly, or siblings, or with my students, I can be a little bit more strict. So this is how the shapes or the conditions differ based on the situation a person is. So this is how we are going to implement polymorphism in Python. Polymorphism in Python simply refers to the ability of objects to take on multiple forms. An object can have multiple forms or many forms. It allows objects of different types to be treated as objects of a common base type, and this enables code to work with different types of objects in a uniform way, which enhances the flexibility and as well as the maintainability. So basically, there are two types of polymorphism in Python. First one is compile time polymorphism, which is static binding. I will not be going in depth. I'll be just naming them. And the next one is runtime polymorphism, which is called dynamic binding. So I'll be just explaining in a one line that what does compile time polymorphism mean. Which is achieved through function overloading or operator overloading, and runtime polymorphism is achieved through method overriding and duck typing, that we'll be doing them in the next videos. So first things first, let's just go for the implementation of this polymorphism and see how can we just implement polymorphism. So for that, we need to have a class named animal here. Then we are going to define a method here called speak. Then we go for this one, and suppose we give pass here, and then we go for the class dog. We are going to inherit animal here. Then we are going to define a method, define speak self. So we are going to just simply return here the expression wolf here. And then we've got another class called cat. In this class, we'll be inheriting the same parent class animal. And then we are going to define a method here, which is speak the same method. As you can see, the name is same. And then we are going to return this expression. So yes, now what we need to do is that the function that uses polymorphism, we have to go for that function. So for that, I will define animal underscore sound, and then we go for this one. And what we are doing next is that we are going to return a statement here, return animal dot speak. So the last thing we need to do is we are going to make the object or the instances of the different classes here. So accessing the class dog, and then my cat, accessing the class cat here, and then we're going to print them by using the function with different objects. Suppose I'll just print this one, animal underscore sound my underscore dog, the object that we have created for ourselves. And another print statement is animal underscore sound, and then we go for the object my cat, and let's just see the output and check what the output shows for us. And as you can see, the output says the statements that we had written here for the class dog, which is wolf, and for the class cat. So yes, that's it. And this video was all about implementing polymorphism in Python, or basically by using object-oriented programming concepts. So in the next video, we'll be talking more about polymorphism and we'll be implementing some more examples regarding this topic. So until then, happy coding everyone.